Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tesla Live to Learn. In previous video, we have discussed two most important problem solving techniques. Those two are current division rule and voltage division rule. And this video will discuss one more simplification technique, that is source transformation, which eliminates extra nodes present in network. So, what is source transformation? An voltage source in series with resistance can be converted into current source, which is parallel with the same resistance. And a current source in parallel with resistance can be converted into voltage source in series with the same resistance. This is voltage source which is connected to resistance in series. This can be converted into current source which is parallel to a same resistor across the nodes A. Both circuits are equal with respect to performance, but not element wise and connection wise, they are not equal. Only performance wise, these two are take, circuits are equal. And please remember, uh, connection wise and elemental wise, it is those two circuits are very different. Let us understand with one example which was asked in engineering service examination 92. Find the value of I. So this is a circuit we have given. While solving these this kind of problems by applying source transformation, the direction of the voltage source and current source are very important. So let us find what is the current I by using source transformation. So 10 ampere current source parallel with 4 ampere, and 5 ampere current source is parallel with 8 ohm. So 10 amperes into 4 ohms, that is 40 volt. This parallel resistor is now in series with the voltage source, and 5 amperes into 8 ohms is 40 volts. And similarly, this parallel resistor is in series with the voltage source. This is downward, no? So the current must be flow through from downward direction. So we have taken plus here and minus here. This is looking upward, so the current must flow from upward direction. So we have taken plus here and minus here. Upward direction plus is upwards, downward direction plus is downwards. So the total current I is passing through this total circuit, which 4 ohm and 28 ohm and 8 ohm are in series with each other, and these two voltage sources are in series. So the equivalent resistance is 4 plus 8 plus 28, which is equal to 40. The equivalent voltage, these two are in series. So 40 plus 40, total voltage is 80. And the current I value is V equivalent by R equivalent 80 by 40, which is 2 ampere is the answer. So now let us move to another problem. The power dissipated in watts in resistor R. This is one of the SPDCL question, I guess. So same technique. Current source is transformed into voltage source, which is in series with 10 ohm resistor here, and which is in series with 6 ohm resistor here. So current is upward direction, so plus is upward. Here also current is upward direction, plus is upward, and 6 into 10 ampere, that is 60 volt. This is don't get confused. This is just Ohm's law. Current into resistance, which is voltage 60 volt, and which is in series with 6 ohm, and here 6 ampere into 10 ohm, which is 60 volt, which is in series with 10 and 10 ohm. So the circuit became like this: 60 volt and 10 and R and 6 are in series, and voltage 60 volt again here. So these two are in anti-series. We cannot call it as anti-series. These two are in opposite direction. The equivalent voltage gets cancelled. 60 minus 60, that is 0. So no current flows through the circuit. So no current flows through the R resistor. The power is 0. So to summarize, an current source can be converted into voltage source uh, with the resistor i- in series with the voltage source, and voltage source can be converted into current source with resistor parallel with the current source. And we have seen two problems here, which is very useful, I guess. So in next video, we'll discuss a few more problems up to what we have discussed till today. And before going to circuit theorems, we have most important things, that is mesh and nodal analysis. We'll take a few or 2 or 3 videos for that. Thank you.